Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today, man, just to share what I've been up to. I've not been in the craft room as much as I've wanted. Yeah. I don't know why, I just haven't. But for the last 2 weeks, this is what I've worked on. I finally had time to film it. I've used the PHOTOPLAY paper collection, and if you don't know, PHOTOPLAY went out of business, so you might be able to find this collection on eBay or somewhere else. I'm not sure, but I used this collection from PHOTOPLAY, Sweet as Honey, and then I also used the PARK collection I had for what was the name of that? I don't know if the name is on this paper pack. Let's see. Sorry. Oh, I guess it was just called Be Happy. But I have this much scraps and a few well, actually almost all the pages from the PHOTOPLAY, and I still have quite a few of the stickers from the sticker sheet. But these were the things. I did make one scrapbook page, which is what I showed you. These fit 4x6 pictures. I don't have the pictures yet, so, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna add anything else. Well, I will need to add the title once I figure out the pictures, so I guess I will be adding once I figure that out. But this was the scrapbook page I made. And I did use this triangles and got the inspiration for the triangles from I can see her. Gosh, what's her name? Paige Evans. That's who I got the triangle repeating pattern situation. I was inspired by her. And I think this is her pattern she shared on one of her lives. And then I did make some card fronts. All I need to do is add them to some card bases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 of them, right on. So this one here, be kind, caring, happy, gentle. Oh, I can zoom in on these. They're a little smaller. So there's that. I just used some scrap pieces that I had and layered it up. These are some of the stickers from the PHOTOPLAY sticker sheet. And yeah, so I just need to stick this on an A2 size card base, which I will do after this video. Here is another one, and all of them I just need to get glued down onto a card base. It says, Gnome is where my honeybee. Gnome sweet gnome. But this is all from the sticker sheet as well. And then this one, welcome home. And then this one, be kind. Kind words are like honey. And I need to make some inspiration cards, so that's what these are. Here's another one, be awesome. And then the bee's knees, you're the bee's knees. Then home is where my honeybee. Your friendship is sweet like honey. Gnome tweet gnome. And have a beautiful day. Beautiful. But yeah, so those were the card fronts I got, and the Look, I can do it this way. Oh, I gotta zoom out. I guess I could do it this way too. I could do the page this way. This is the way I made it though, but I don't know. You guys like it this way? Maybe this way? Yeah, go ahead, comment below, because I'm not putting the photos on yet. I haven't decided what photos I'm even using, so I'll do it the way you say in the comments. Yeah, let me know. Well, that's it for my share. Hopefully it's not another 2 weeks before I have another project to share with you, but have a crafty day in the meantime. I'm actually excited. Oh, what fun is next weekend. I'm going to the in-person event at Spellbinders, and I'm doing a Spellbinders warehouse tour. So if they let me go live, would you guys like to come along? Let me know in the comments. Okay, well, hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And when I say next weekend, I mean like August 27th. Next Thursday. 1 week. Yeah, about 1 week from now. So, hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.